Hello everyone, this is Daniel Light, and in today's video, I'll be taking you on how to take signal in the Forex market. So if you're just seeing this video for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share to others so that they can also benefit with you on how to learn from Forex. And to those of us who have subscribed to the channel, I'm saying a very big thank you to every one of us. Okay, talking about taking signals in Forex. Firstly, what is signal? To my definition, signal is an instruction giving you a prediction of the market's next move. Something like this.
So this is a very clear example of what a signal look like. So I'll be breaking everything in this picture down one by one. So firstly, this is gold, our normal gold. So trading gold in the forex market, comparing it to the value of dollar. Gold in the forex market is being represented with XAU. Now comparing it to USD,
That which is American dollar, together that will give us XAU USD, which is exactly what we have under quote in our MT5.
same thing also applies to other currencies. As you can see, this is EUR card. This is also represented by euro to Canadian dollar. The one up is euro to Australian dollar, and so on like that. So the next part is how to place the signal. So once you click on chart showing down here,
It brings us to this part where we are able to see what's going on between gold and dollar right now. So these numbers by the right side are called price, the exact price, and this line, this red and green line, as you can see right here, is the exact position where the market is. So as you can see where the line is pointing to, that's 27.42. That's the exact price of gold right now per ounce. So how to trade now, how to take the signal, all you have to do is just either click on buy or sell. So this is where we have to go back to the signal to know what the signal is telling us to do. So as you can see on the screen, the signal says buy gold, buy now. So buy now, take note of that, buy now. So you go back to the chart and click on buy. So once you click on buy, you see this number showing right here. This is SL representing stop loss, and this is TP representing take profit. So you have to set your stop loss and your TP. And the importance of this is for markets to help you close your profit once it gets to that price. And if it gets to stop loss, it's SL, it help you close your loss.
so back to the chart, since we know we are buying, so you have to click on buy showing up here. Once you click on buy, then it brings this helping you turn on the settings immediately to always place buy anytime you want to place order in the market. So as you can see, I just placed buy, I just clicked on buy, and it's placed in the market, it placed order in the market. So if you click on trade showing down here, you can see the order have been activated and it's still running, it's running already. So all you have to, the next step you have to do is to input your stop loss and your take profit. So you hold on this position running here and it brings this option. You can see close position, modify position, new order, chart, bulk operation. So we want to modify our position. You want to click on modify position, you can see SL and TP. So right now you go back to the signal and copy the numbers in the signal. As you can see, the port for SL is 2757. That's the number they put for SL, and the number they put for TP is
2765.
so you copy it, input it in this position, and you click on modify shown here. So once you click on modify, you should have something like this on your chart. Once you go back to chart, you see the TP showing up here and the SL showing down here. So that is how to take a signal. So all you have to do right now is just leave the market and let it play out to the direction where the signal directs you. And don't forget to leave in the comment section if you have any question and answer you want me to specify on. Thanks for watching.